The anticipation surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has reached a crescendo as the tech giant prepares to unveil its latest flagship smartphone. Scheduled for January 17th in the United States, the unveiling promises to showcase a device that builds upon the success of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. From design and display enhancements to groundbreaking camera innovations and significant performance upgrades, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is poised to set new standards in the fiercely competitive smartphone market. The unveiling. On January 17th, the tech world will witness the official unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, an event shrouded in anticipation. As gleaned from search results, Samsung is poised to present its S24 lineup, hinting at a groundbreaking addition to the esteemed Galaxy S series. The chosen date signifies a strategic moment for Samsung, where enthusiasts and industry experts alike eagerly await the revelation of cutting-edge features, design enhancements, and technological innovations that could redefine the smartphone landscape. The event serves as a pivotal juncture, setting the stage for what promises to be a remarkable chapter in Samsung's flagship history. Design and display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's design seems to carry forward the legacy of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, with subtle yet impactful changes. Notably, slimmer bezels are expected, contributing to what is rumored to be one of the narrowest bezels seen on any smartphone. The use of titanium sides adds a touch of premium sophistication, surpassing the aluminum sides of its forerunner. Leaked images suggest a boxy design with sharp corners and slightly curved sides, along with squared-off edges. Color options are speculated to include black, gray, violet, and yellow, with additional store-exclusive colors such as orange, light blue, and light green. The display is rumored to be a dazzling 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate and an astounding peak brightness of 500 nits. These features collectively position the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a device that not only looks sleek but also promises an immersive visual experience. Camera innovations. The camera department of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to see significant upgrades, although details remain shrouded in mystery. The primary rear camera is speculated to retain the impressive 200MP main camera introduced with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, whispers suggest a shift in focus to improve closer shots by potentially altering the zoom lenses. A particularly intriguing development is Samsung's teaser of a cutting-edge camera technology named Zoom Anyplace. This innovation allows the camera to automatically track moving subjects, ensuring they stay within frame while providing enhanced image stabilization. The feature boasts the ability to capture wide, full-screen shots and close-ups simultaneously in 4K. Leveraging the ultra-high resolution of the 200-megapixel camera. While these advancements hint at a camera system that pushes the boundaries of mobile photography, there are rumors of a transition from a 10x zoom to a 5x zoom, though this remains unconfirmed. Performance upgrades. At the core of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra lies the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, heralding a new era of performance excellence. Projections indicate a staggering 30% increase in CPU performance and a commendable 25% boost in GPU capabilities, promising a responsive and powerful user experience. Notably, these advancements come hand in hand with a reduction in power consumption, paving the way for heightened efficiency and extended battery life. The strategic integration of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 positions the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a technological powerhouse, destined to redefine the standards of high-performance smartphones. With these notable upgrades, Samsung aims to make a lasting impact on the smartphone market, influencing the competitive landscape and solidifying the Galaxy S24 Ultra's status as a flagship device of unparalleled capabilities. Software and user experience. In the realm of software and user experience, the specifics surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra remain undisclosed. However, given Samsung's track record, it's reasonable to anticipate a blend of software optimizations and enhancements designed to complement the device's robust hardware. The user interface is likely to undergo refinements, ensuring a seamless and intuitive experience. As the tech community eagerly awaits the official unveiling, the allure lies in the anticipation of how Samsung will tailor its software to elevate the user interaction and contribute to the overall success of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Connectivity and battery. Details about the connectivity and battery features of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are currently under wraps, awaiting the official unveiling to shed light on network capabilities and battery specifications. The anticipation surrounding these crucial aspects adds an extra layer of suspense, leaving enthusiasts eager to discover the device's connectivity prowess and endurance. Market impact. The combined effect of anticipated performance upgrades, revolutionary camera innovations, and potential design and display enhancements positions the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a formidable player in the smartphone market. Envisioned as a high-performing flagship, the device holds the potential to reshape industry dynamics, influencing consumer preferences and setting new standards. Pricing and availability. In the absence of explicit information on pricing and availability, speculation takes center stage. Expectations revolve around a starting price similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which entered the market at $1,199. Until official details emerge, this speculation adds an intriguing layer of anticipation to the overall unveiling. User expectations. Though not directly sourced, user expectations are inferred from collective anticipation fueled by rumors. Users seem poised for a smartphone that surpasses expectations in design, performance, and innovation. The absence of specific insights only amplifies the eagerness surrounding the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as enthusiasts await its unveiling with heightened anticipation. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's impending unveiling holds the promise of a future flagship that combines sleek design, cutting-edge camera technology, and formidable performance. While some aspects remain shrouded in mystery, the leaked information and teasers create an air of excitement, positioning the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a device that could indeed be the future finest in the world of smartphones. Click here to watch Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra vs Google Pixel 8 Pro, the ultimate showdown. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.